Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red bean soup Jamaican style. Begin by soaking 2 cups red kidney beans overnight and drain before use. Sauté onions, garlic, thyme, scallion, and pimento in oil, then add soaked beans and water. Simmer gently, add coconut milk and dumplings, and cook until beans are tender and soup is thickened. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then serve hot with lime wedges for brightness. Gather ingredients and prep everything before you start cooking to keep the process calm and easy. Drain soaked beans and have coconut milk, aromatics, and spices ready. Chop onion, scallion, and pimento, and puncture the Scotch bonnet for controlled heat. Mix dumpling dough and portion into bite-sized pieces. This mise-en place saves time and makes simmering smooth so you can focus on adjusting seasonings and texture for a comforting bowl. Start by sautéing onion, garlic, thyme, and pimento until fragrant. Add drained beans and about 6 cups water, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until beans are tender. Skim foam and maintain a low boil to avoid splitting beans. Add coconut milk, then drop dumplings into the pot and simmer until they are cooked through and the soup has thickened. Finish with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime to brighten flavors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.